Hello! In this video, I will demonstrate how to use Hardin Library's Interlibrary Loan Service, or ILL. Interlibrary Loan is a fast and free service for all University of Iowa affiliates. You can use it to borrow books, articles, movies, and more that we don't currently have. All right, to get to ILL, we're going to go to Hardin Library's homepage, and then we're going to scroll down to the selected resources section. The first block of yellow, and we're going to click the third button on the right, the Interlibrary Loan button. This takes us to the Interlibrary Loan page, and we need to click the second yellow button. We'll need to authenticate with your IHOC ID and password and click Continue. And you're in. The first thing you'll be prompted to do, if you haven't already, is to create a profile. So you'll need to input all your information, including your University of Iowa email. You need to make sure you change your home library to Hardin Library because it defaults to Maine. And this is not the same as a book pickup location. I will go over choosing a pickup library later. The print disability option, it's an accommodation. It's not for everyone, and this is only if you need machine readable text. And then at the bottom, we need a mailing address for when we send physical materials like books. A campus address is preferred and quicker, but you can use a home address. Please include a full mailing address, and then you would hit submit. Okay, so I'm going to show you a new request book because this is the book pickup location. So when you do this, it's the first field. You can see that all of the campus libraries are available as options, but also home office delivery. Just make sure you have that address if you choose one of these on file. Now we're going to do a new request article, but I just want to point out that there are many different types of requests. You just choose what fits best for you, but I'm going to show an article. So this is the blank article request form. And you're going to need to put all the pertinent details in, like the journal title, article title, author's volume, issue, month, year, pages. And then I always tell folks to include, if there's a unique identifier, like a PMID or a DOI, to include it down here in the notes section because this helps the ILL folks out. Then you would hit Submit Request. There's another way to interlibrary loan an article. In some databases, like in PubMed, which I'm in right now, I'm sure many of you searched this. I have a known article. I put the PMID in, and we're going to hit search. So this takes me to the article record page. I'm sure you all know that you click the yellow UI link button when you're in the databases to get to the full text. In this case, it's not correct. This takes us to the article record page in InfoHawk Plus, our catalog, and you can see that there is no full text available. So when this happens, you go down to this blue hyperlink, request this article by Interlibrary Loan, click this down here, and this takes you into Interlibrary Loan. And the nice thing is it autofills the details for you. You just need to go back and check to make sure they're correct. And then you can put, like I said, copy paste. Down here, and then hit Submit Request at the bottom. If you need multiple items, please do a separate request for each one, like several articles or several book chapters. Right now, we're not allowed to interlibrary loan ebooks due to licensing restrictions. And when your item is ready, you will get an email. And if it's an electronically delivered article, it will be here on the home page, and you can click View, and that will bring up the PDF that you can download. The turnaround time for journal articles, because they're delivered electronically, they're usually ready in less than 2 business days. Books, because they're physical items, take longer, about 7 to 10 days, depending on where they're coming from. Just remember, whenever we don't have full text for an article or a book, you can interlibrary loan it. Thank you.